Hi and hello everyone. Welcome everyone to my video in which we are going to see how to install Visual Studio and also how to run a sample program in it. Come, let's get into a video. But before getting into a video, we must know some basics about C Sharp, right? So I would not like to waste your time by teaching you C Sharp. Rather, I would like to give some tips where you can learn C Sharp. You can just go to Chrome or I'm using Chrome. You can use whatever browser you need it. Just get into it and type C Sharp tutorials point. Tutorials point is a basic website which teaches a lot and gives us a good content to learn. If you get into this, you can learn all the basics of C Sharp tutorial. So here you can get into the basics, and even though you can get into advanced level, you can watch later if needed. And now we are going to discuss how to install Visual Studio 2019 community version on our desktop. That is Windows 10 right now. Go to Chrome browser and just type Visual Studio. By searching it, you will get the very first link, Visual Studio IDE, Code Editor, Azure DevOps, and AppSync, which is provided by Microsoft. Click on it. Yeah, here is the version. Just go below, drag below. Here you might see three versions, right? Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio for Mac. In this, we need to download Visual Studio. If you click on the cursor, there are three options in which we need to download community version. So click on download. So you might see here it gets download exe file. Click on it. Um, Click on yes. Just continue. It's all our formal steps that we need to do while installations. Excuse me with my net speed taking longer time than expected. Yeah, it's almost done and everything is getting ready. I'm going to click on .NET Class Platform Development and all optional details are already been selected. Set as install by downloading and just click on install. The download will start soon based on your net availability. Now let it get been downloading. I'll skip the downloading session. Yeah, friends, the download has almost been done and it is asking for a reboot. So I'm going to restart my laptop. Come, let's see what happens next. Friends, my lab just now got restarted. Now let's see how to run a C# program in Visual Studio. For that, just open Visual Studio for opening Visual Studio. Here you might see Visual Studio 2019 getting open for me. Yeah, it got open. Now just click on create a new project. Yeah, here you might see a lot of options, but for now, just we are going to create a hello world application so that the console application is enough. to run a C Sharp. I'm just clicking on console application and just clicking on next. Here, name your project name as you like. I'm naming as Hello World Application. If you want, you can select the location here, but I'm leaving as such the default location. Here you can check if you need the solution and the project in the same directory, else you can uncheck. I'm leaving as it and clicking on next. Here it is asking for the target framework, right? I'm keeping on current, that is none other than .NET 5.0. Finally, just click on create. Your Visual Studio console application is getting created. You might see Visual Studio is creating a project for you. Just be patient till it gets open. Yeah, finally. It has provided a default code for me for Hello World application. That is what I needed. In this code, we'll see what is what later on. But first, for now, we'll see how to run this. You might see a option here, a run button. Click on run. After clicking on run, you might see a build started, getting started for you. It may take a while if you are for the first time here, else it'll be fast. For me, the build is succeeded, and finally my output is gonna be visible. Yeah, finally it is. You might see hello world getting displayed for me. So this is how we run the basic program in C# using Visual Studio. So press any key to close the window. While moving to the coding part, I have a website for you. So friends, this is the website I was talking about, First C# program by Tutorials Teacher. This gives you a basic idea if you are not into C# before. Here they have given every steps how to create, and also they have given the basic knowledge about a C# program. See, they have explained how the structure is defined. First, using system, where it gives a reference of .NET Framework namespaces. Next, moving on, namespace name that you can alter based upon your project name, and creating a class. And next, followed by method, and then it comes data type and variables and value of variables. Here they have used a string because they have given the value as hello world. If you are using any other integers, the data type might change. And variables, as you wish, you can declare. It's not a big deal. And finally, the console.writeLine message. This is a method to display a value on console or to print a value. So that's all about understanding a C# structure. So you can later on view. So this is the output. Hello world we got. And while moving on, I'll suggest another website, includehelp.com, where you can see C# programs, a lot of C# programs. You can work with it and understand how the C# actually works. If you click on any link, also the code is given. You can try on your own. So guys, that's all about my first video. I hope everyone got an idea. I'll meet you soon with more and more exciting videos. Until now, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.